Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering images and setting clear preferences so choices are efficient. Open a folder and put 3-5 options there. This narrows decision fatigue. Once done, inspect resolution and file type because sharpness depends on pixels and compatibility. Make quick edits if an image is too small or poorly cropped. Minor brightness or crop fixes improve legibility of icons. By preparing files and defining the desired style, you speed up the rest of the process and avoid backtracking. You now test each candidate by opening the personalization controls and applying options one by one. Select an image and use Fit, Fill, or Center to see how it aligns with icons and taskbars. The why is simple. Aspect ratio and scaling affect composition and clarity. Once done, move windows and check icon contrast against the background so you can read labels. If you have multiple monitors, preview across displays to ensure the image crops or spans correctly before committing to the final choice. You finish by applying the selected wallpaper and saving any modified copy to avoid accidental edits later. Make it the active desktop, and if available, lock the setting or add it to your profile so sync keeps it consistent across devices. If the wallpaper doesn't apply, check file permissions, storage path, and sync settings because those commonly block changes. For blurriness, re-export the image at native monitor resolution. This fixes scaling issues and keeps your desktop crisp and readable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.